Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a puff stitch. The puff stitch can be incorporated into different patterns, like this one. There's that puff stitch there. This is a headband that I made. Or into cup cozies. There's that puff stitch. Or you can use the pattern to do the whole project, like this headband or this cup cozy. It can be incorporated into virtually any project. So what I've done here is I have chain 20. You always want to start with an even number. So now we are going to chain 2, yarn over. We are going to skip 1. You always skip 1 when you do the puff stitch. So we go into the second one and we're going to do a double crochet. So we did yarn over through that second stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. Now here's when we start the puff stitch. Yarn over, go behind the post, pull up a loop, so that's 1, yarn over, behind the post, pull up a loop, 2, yarn over, behind the post, pull up a loop, that's 3, yarn over, behind the post, pull up a loop, there's 4. So when you do that, you will have 9 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we're going to yarn over and we are going to pull through all of them. Just like that. And there's our first puff stitch. Now we're going to do that again with a double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, skip 1, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. You always want to make sure to leave this kind of loose or you have a really hard time getting that last yarn over through all those 9. So yarn over, behind the post, 1, yarn over, behind the post, 2, yarn over, behind the post, 3, yarn over, behind the post, 4. You have 9 again, yarn over, pull through all of them. There's your second puff stitch. I'll show you one more time. We skip this one, go into this one, yarn over, put it through, pull up a loop, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. Yarn over and pull up 1, yarn over 2, yarn over 3, yarn over 4. Put yarn over through all of them. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Now don't worry about the fact that you're skipping a stitch because it creates another stitch up here so you end up with the same amount as what you started with. I hope this was easy for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I would be happy to help.